Hey, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add transitions in your video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open your CapCut app. Select a new project, select a video, and then add it. Now, split your video into pieces. Do this thing wherever you want to. And now go to the front and absolutely click on the middle point where the first gap is. Now there you can see there are many transitions. You can add any of them, and you can add the seconds by just increasing the pointer. Now click on the right side, and then again go to the second option or second gap. Search for another your favorite transition. I'm clicking on this. Again, click on the right side and then click again. Search for another option. Again, click on the right side. Click on the gap again. Choose another one. And for the last one, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Now let's see the effects. As you can see, the transitions are beautifully applied. They are visible, and how beautiful the outcome is. Okay, hope you understood the tutorial. Now you can export it from the arrow sign. Click on it, and now it's exporting. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for getting more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.